Welcome to a new video. Today we are taking a look at the brand new Avata 360, DJI's newest FPV release. This drone brings a completely different approach to aerial filmmaking by combining FPV flying with immersive 360 capture, allowing you to reframe your shots after filming and create dynamic camera movements that normally would be impossible. So today we are testing the camera quality, flight performance, design, and also how to edit the 360 footage directly inside the app. And huge thanks to DJI Costa Rica for sending this over. So first things first, this is the combo version, which includes the Avata 360, the RC2 controller, a pack of batteries, charging accessories, and the landing pad. This drone can also be used with the DJI goggles and the motion controller for a full immersive FPV experience. The first thing I noticed is how compact and protected the design feels. The Avata series has always been focused on portability and safety, and this new model continues that idea while adding the new 360 camera system. You still get the integrated propeller guard, making it safer for tighter environments and lower altitude flying. Now let's talk about the main feature, the 360 camera system. This drone uses a dual camera system which captures a 360-degree image around the drone. That means after filming, you can completely change the camera angle in post-production. For video quality, this drone shoots in 2.7K, 4K, 6K, and 8K in 360 capture using the dual camera system. So instead of worrying about framing while flying, you can first focus on the movement and then compose the shot later in the app. Now this is where things get really interesting. You can open the clips directly inside the DJI app and completely reframe the shots. You can change the camera direction, add smooth keyframes, create camera movements, lock the horizon, track subjects, and export vertical and horizontal formats for social media or cinematic projects. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to create advanced FPV shots without complicating the workflow. Overall, the Avata 360 feels like a very creative tool rather than another drone. It combines the immersive feeling of FPV flying with the flexibility of 360 filmmaking, giving creators much more freedom in post-production. For travel filmmakers, action creators, and anyone wanting dynamic cinematic movement in a compact setup, this is a very interesting option. And thank you DJI Costa Rica for sharing such an amazing product, and let me know what you think about the new Avata 360.